Pray the Almighty to bestow His blessings on His Lordships for a fulfilling retired life. Thank you, Your Lordship.
With the permission of my Lord, the Honorable the Chief Justice, now I request Honorable Justice Sri T. Mallikarjuna Rao garu to speak on this occasion.
Beloved the Honorable Chief Justice Dheeraj Singh Thakurji, my esteemed brothers and members of the Bar Council, office bearers of the association, government pleaders, special government pleaders, additional and assistant government pleaders and standing council, registrars of the High Court, director of the AP Judicial Academy, member secretary AP State Legal Service Authority, secretary AP High Court Legal Service Committee, staff of the High Court Registry, family members of my brother and sister judges, my wife Sailija, my sons Sai Manos, at my last judicial function today. At this moment, I am deeply reminiscent of my life as a student, lawyer and as a judge. My journey began in a village called Nedunuru in the West Valley, East Godavari district. I pursued my Bachelor's of Laws at GSK Law College, Rajahmundry, practiced as an advocate for nearly 6 years, and later joined service as a judicial magistrate of first class at Parchur on 5th May 1994. As a first generation lawyer, I initially planned to practice law and look after agricultural lands, but destiny had different plans. I was fortunate to have a good senior, Sri P.S. Ramachandramurthy, and supportive colleagues and friends. During my practice, I made it a habit to read law journals for 2 or 3 hours daily. After my selection as district munsif, my senior advised me not to run behind digests or citations, but to focus on facts and documents of the case. I believe I followed that advice throughout my career. I still firmly believe that because of the divine blessings, I could reach this stage and occupy the noble seat of justice. Today marks the conclusion of my judicial career spanning nearly 32 years. I take this opportunity to express my gratitude to all those who have been part of it. At the outset, I must express my sincere gratitude to the then Honorable Sri Justice Prasant Kumar Misraji, now a judge of the Supreme Court of India, and to the other honorable members of the collegium, Sri C. Praveen Kumar and Sri A.V. Seshasai, who recommended my name for elevation as a judge of this court. I have also received exemplary support and cooperation from Honorable the Chief Justice Sri Dheeraj Singh Thakurji. I am deeply humbled to have served alongside some of the finest legal minds and have gained invaluable insights from my esteemed colleagues on the bench. The bonds formed during those sittings continue till date. During my tenure in this court, I had the privilege of serving on division benches along with my esteemed brother judges Sri C. Praveen Kumar, Sri A.V. Seshasai, Sri U. Durga Prasad Rao, Sri M. Ganga Rao, Sri D.V.S. Somayajalu, Sri Chikati Manavendra Roy, Sri Ravinath Tilahari, Sri R. Raghunandan Rao, Sri Bhattu Devanand, Sri N. Jayasuriya, Sri K. Suresh Reddy, and Sri K. Srinivas Reddy. I also had the privilege of serving on the division bench with Honorable Justice Sri Prasant Kumar Misraji and Honorable the Chief Justice of Honorable Chief Justice Sri Dheeraj Singh Thakurji, though for a few days. It has been an honor to share the bench with each one of them. During my tenure, I was entrusted with rosters relating to civil appeals, criminal appeals, MAS, EMAS, bail applications, and criminal revision cases, land acquisition appeals. I was fortunate to receive commendable cooperation from the members of the bar. I shall be thankful to them. I spent nearly 3 decades in the trial courts. Those years shaped me. They gave me the confidence and comfort to occupy the bench without hesitation. As an advocate, I practiced exclusively on the civil side for about 6 years. My exposure to the criminal side truly began only after I joined the judiciary. The foundation laid at the trial court level helped me deal effectively with criminal matters in this court. I come from an agriculture family with no legal background. Whatever I am today is because of the support and the guidance extended by the bar. To be very honest, I never expected to become a judge of this court. Based on the realities and the statistics prevailing at that time, I believed I would retire as a judge, as a district judge. That perception changed due to the initiative of the Honorable the then Chief Justice of India, Sri N.V. Ramana Garu, during whose tenure nearly 220 judges were appointed across various high courts. The judicial officers selected along with me were indeed fortunate. 7 members among us, ranging from the first to the last of our batch, had the opportunity to serve this court, which is a rare moment in the history of judicial service. The elevation of a large number of judges from the district judiciary who began their service as district mursaf, later christened as Civil Judge Junior Division, has, in my view, inspired several young advocates to opt for the district judiciary. I have personally witnessed the happiness and confidence this generated among judicial officers at the first rung of the judiciary. One has been, when some of us did so, we were asked why we had obeyed the instruction without hesitation. We were then reminded that a judge must never decide a matter merely because someone asks him to do so, but must decide independently, guided only by law and conscience. I believe that throughout my career, I have adjudicated matters with the same sense of independence and conviction without fear or favor. In my early years of judicial service, senior judges treated us with parental affection and even extended protection when required. I am deeply grateful to all those senior judges for their guidance and support. I would like to convey my gratitude to the Honorable Chief Justice of this court for the constant support and kindness extended to me. I also thank all my brother and sister judges for their support and cooperation. I have always enjoyed good relationship with the bar, which has consistently supported and assisted me. I place on record my appreciation for the cooperation extended by my personal secretaries Sheikh Meera and Anil Kumar. During the period when I was holding the roster of bail applications for nearly 1 year, I recall working close to 18 hours a day, disposing 20 to 30 bail applications daily, and ensuring that orders were uploaded on the same day. I thank the court masters for the invaluable assistance during those times. I also record my appreciation for the legal assistance rendered by my law clerks, Ms. Devisri, now practicing as an advocate, and Ms. Ruhi Parhat. I equally appreciate the assistance of court officers Syamala and Sitaram and the court masters R. Divakar, A. Sai Kumar, Sai Shankar, Ramalakshmi, Asmat Bhanu, Jahnavi, M. Kishore Kumar and Sheikh Rahim for prompt typing of orders. I also acknowledge the services of the attendants attached to my court, Tulsi Krishna, Subramanyam and Venkat Sai, and the Bangla attendants Prem Kumar, Venkatesh, Kachayani, Prasad and Joji, who ensured comfort for my family and me. I thank driver Vansi Krishna for ensuring safe journeys at all times. I also thank my personal security officers, Mr. Vijay and Mr. Anand, for their assistance, particularly during critical times. The protocol section deserves special appreciation, especially Anil, Achibabu, Suresh Babu, Suresh Pani and Govardhan Reddy for their service. I convey my gratitude to all the registrars of the High Court and the staff of the registry. The success I have achieved as a judge is first owed to my parents and then to my wife Sailiza, who has been a pillar of strength throughout my journey. She has stood by me in times of difficulty and shared in the joy of every accomplishment. I am profoundly grateful for her steadfast support and constant encouragement. My elder son Manoj is a software engineer and my younger son Rishi serves as a Civil Judge Junior Division. I was especially happy that he was selected as a civil judge at the time of my elevation. Both of them have been constant source of support and I consider myself truly fortunate to have them as my children. I especially remember my father, Sri Ram Chandramurthy, who passed away in June 2025, to whom I owe my deepest gratitude. I also thank the Honorable the Chief Justice, my brother judges, advocates, and the staff for their support during that difficult period. I am sure my father would be witnessing this occasion with happiness from his heavenly abode. A major part of my life was spent in court. It was my second home, not merely a workplace. I embraced and enjoyed my career as a judge. I am demitting the office with complete contentment. As I step away from this office, I do so with gratitude for the opportunities given to me. I thank you all and wish you an advance happy Pongal. Thank you.
With the permission of my Lord, the Honorable the Chief Justice, I declare that the proceedings are concluded.